Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and what if your Slack isn't working, like messages not sending, channels not loading, or the app freezing? Follow these troubleshooting steps. First of all, you need to close and reopen Slack. And here we go. Of course, I won't log in because personal data and just things like that are not allowed, but if you logged in and you still have some issues, you need to go to check app permissions. So we're going to settings, apps, search for Slack, and go to app permissions. For app permissions of this application, you might need the camera, contacts, microphone, music and audio, notifications, photos and videos, and phone. So when you have chosen all of these permissions, let's go to the app, and if you load those permissions and app still doesn't work properly, you might to go to reinstall the app. Let's go to the Play Store, look for Slack, go here and uninstall and install it again. Okay, so we can open it, and if you logged in and the issue's still here, this might be a problem with the Slack server. So how to check it? We're going to Google right now and typing down detector, downdetector.com. Let's go and let's find the Slack. Okay, and there were three small issues, three small drop downs in last 24 hours. But that's not the issue, it's not the main issue, it's not the main problem, so it might not be a server. The last thing you can do is to check your internet connection, if it's stabilized, like the Wi-Fi or the mobile data, and if it's good, just restart your phone, and this will solve your problem. Thank you so much, and see ya in the next video.